Welcome guys, let's talk about the capture effects tool and help. Now if I just click on capture, we'll find all of these options like record, F9, we use F9 shortcut key to record and stop, F10 key and delete and stuff like that, which you'll find here also. Okay, and if I just click on this icon, it will stop recording my audio, and if I click it again, it will also again recording my audio, and same thing happened with record webcam. Okay, after that if I just come to here effects, we got bunch of effects. Like if I click on annotation and expand it, we got bunch of options here. If I just click on this add captions, it will also add caption to my video clip. Whenever I am recording my system screen, it will also add caption to it, whatever I am saying. Other than that, if I just click on this add system stamp, it will also add system stamp. Okay, I will turn off this for right now. Other than that, if I just click on use mouse click sound, now if I just click on it, whenever I right click or left click of my mouse, it will also record that sound. Okay, I will turn off this right now. Other than that, if I just click on options, we got bunch of options here. The first is system step. Now this is how your file will named after you have saved your file. For example, currently it is time and date. For example, it will show up like this. Okay, and if I just click on ellipse time, it will also show the ellipse time also. Okay, and stuff like that. If I just click here on sound, we got mouse button down sound and mouse button up sound. Now I can increase or decrease its volume. Okay, now here we got caption and stuff like that. If I just click on this, if we want to add caption, we'll just click on this caption option. First we have to enable our caption option at the back where I showed you, and just click on this caption option. Now here we got bunch of caption options, like for example, where you want to put your caption. If you want to put your caption at the center, just select this center. If you want at the top, just click here, and if you want bottom, just click here. Other than that, you can also add drop shadow to your caption. You can also add outline shadow, and you can also make it transparent. Okay, currently it is white, that's why it is showing white light. I will select this one and uncheck this transparent background. Other than that, you can also change the font. Here you got bunch of fonts option. Okay, and you can also change the text color of your caption to something like green or whatever you like, and you can also change the background color like this. You can change it to whatever you like. You have full customized options. Okay, just click on OK, and it will apply that change. Now if I click OK, it will apply all of these changes. Okay, the next option here we got is tools. Now if I just click on Camtasia, it will open the Camtasia option, and if I click on screencast.com, it will open the screencast.com website. So we will leave that for now, and we'll click on options. Now here we got bunch of options like show tool tips, warn me when recorder will be recorded. If I just uncheck this, it will not give me a countdown. Okay, if I check this, it will give me a countdown before recording my screen. Okay, other than that, you can also check this capture layered windows, capture keyboard input. Whenever I click any key in the keyboard, it will also capture it audio, and disable screensaver during capture. Okay, other than that, you can also change your saving option like record to AVI file or trace file. And if I just click on this file option, we got bunch of option related to file here. Okay, I'll leave it for now here. Here is your temporary file. After that, if I just click on inputs, we got bunch of option here. For example, you can capture in your 30 frame, 15 frame, 10 frame or 1 frame. And if I have messed too much around, I'll just click on restore to default. The restore default is 30. Okay, other than that, we got audio option here, like which mic you want to select in order to record your audio, and you can also increase or decrease the amount of your audio. We have talked about it in previous video. Other than that, you can also turn on your record system audio and stuff like that. And for camera option, currently I have selected do not record camera, and if I select any other integrated camera, it will start recording my webcam, and from that camera which I have selected, I'll select no for now. Other than that, if we go to shortcut, here is very cool feature of Camtasia Studio Recorder. Now for example, in order to record and pause, we just click on F9 key as a shortcut, and if I just click on this control, now I have to click on control plus F9, and I can also change this F9 key here. Okay, and if I select F8, now I have to click on control plus F8, and if I check this, Now I have to click on Control plus Shift plus F8. Okay, I will uncheck this for now. Currently I have to click on F8. I will change it to F9 again. Okay, for stop we got F10 option, and if I just click on Control, now I have to click on Control plus F10. I will uncheck this mark. We got markers for M. Okay, Control plus M, it will turn our marker option whenever we are recording. We can change this key to something else other than that: screen draw, select region, and hide tray icon. The last option is program. Now here I can change the program setting and stuff like that. In here in minimize, if I just click on if recorder will be recorded, it will always minimize. Okay, and if I minimize to taskbar, it will minimize here. Okay, and if I minimize to system tray, it will minimize at this position. Okay, in system tray I'll click on taskbar. Now I click on OK. Now we'll talk about recording option in our next video.